Here is a quick video to show how to use the Brieftons QuickDry Salad Spinner. Please watch it in full, as it will help you make the most out of your tool. Component: the salad spinner comes with a lid, a basket, a bowl. How to use: lift the lid and fill the basket with washed salad leaves. Replace the lid. If the knob is in the locked position, unlock it by sliding the knob lock outwards. Push the knob down all the way, then let it spring back up. Repeat the steps. This will cause the basket to spin. The more you push the knob, the more the basket will spin. Centrifugal force will direct the water outwards and down the sides of the bowl, pooling in the base for easy disposal. Press the brake button to stop the spin. After the water is tipped out, the salad may be stored in the basket or the bowl in the fridge for later use. To save space when storing the salad spinner, you can lock the knob down. Use one hand to push the knob down and hold it. Use the other hand to slide the knob lock inwards until it clicks into position. How to clean: the salad spinner can be cleaned by hand or in a dishwasher, top rack only. It is recommended that the salad spinner be washed right after use. Hand cleaning: lift the lid and pour some dishwashing detergent into the basket and bowl. Run warm water into the spinner until it is at least half full. Replace the lid. Push the knob down repeatedly to make the basket spin. This will loosen food remnants and force them out of the basket. Allow the basket to come to a stop. Dampen the rough side of a sponge. Add a small amount of dishwashing detergent if desired. Swipe the sponge around the basket, concentrating on any remaining food particles that are stuck in the holes of the basket. Do a final rinse to remove food particles and dish soap from the basket and the bowl. Dry all pieces of the salad spinner. Dishwasher cleaning: place the lid, basket, and bowl in the top rack of the dishwasher. Run the dishwasher on a normal cycle using standard detergent.